We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. The market is a close. The week is a close. Let's rock and roll. We are doing portfolio management live. And the tickers I got for you guys tonight is the SPY per usual. We have to look at the SPY before we look at everything else. The S&P 500. And then we got TSLL, NEO, RGTI, JetBlue, PLTR, TQQQ, AMD, and Peter, my brother, you know I got you, gold. So we're going to break it all down for you tonight. What's up, everybody in the chat? Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. What tickers? I already did that. Hey, Professor, any code for a discount? I'm ready to buy the book. I got you. I got you. So today, well, tomorrow is the last day of Ramadan. The fasting ends. Will I go back to being a maniac?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, what the hell? I thought it was a block button. When I go back to being a maniac, we will see on Tuesday. Wait, no, live on Tuesday. I have the secret Instagram live. Got that out of the way. But yeah, I got you. Why not? Use the code EID. E-I-D is the code. And madam, we are live on TikTok. We are live on X. Thank you so much. The code, if you want it, go right now. All the books. EID. Sorry, not all the books. Not the How to Be a Consistent Trader book. Again, the code is EID, Eid, the Muslim holiday, which is, I believe, on Sunday. So, what's up, everybody? David, love you, my brother. I love you too, baby. I love you too. What's up? Ready for class? Let's go into it. So, you already know, we're looking at the SPY. The SPY dropped hard, has been dropping a correction, which is natural, which is normal, the whole 9 yards. You have to understand that these are buying opportunities when the opportunity is in front of your face. That's what it is. And we're going to talk about it. Let's go. So if you notice, the SPY has been on a relentless move. And let's talk about this right now. I already wrote about this. Everyone should be on page 41. Today, portfolio management is just about stocks. It's all page 41. So keep that in mind. Hey, Professor, I'm ready for class. Boom. Thank you, Professor. I'm going to buy my friend Vrog the book. He really needs to learn to hit sell, my man. What up, Samir? What's going on? Page 41, everybody. Let's go. To understand the present and future, you must understand the past. Is that your iPhone?
Yeah.
Use YouTube. See how everything is going on that one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, check it out. So let's look at the past. Let's talk about the past and let's discuss it before we move on. By the way, daytradeprofessor.com for a free trading course. As you can see, we have to learn to read. I'm being nice. People are always asking, how do I find the book? What does that say? Book, right there. People say, how do I find the mentorship information? Right there. Look.
Also, the live calls.
The what?
The live calls, remember?
The what?
The live calls.
Oh, 3 people won the video calls for commenting on something I posted on Instagram. So, and when this live ends, I'll say your name, but you should already know. You've been DM'd. Your messages have been pinned. So I'll be doing 5-minute free video calls for you on Instagram. So boom. Glad to finally make the live after watching them. All the fact. Thanks for all you do. You're welcome, Corey. Welcome all these new names. Professor, what time frame? Weekly, my brother. Weekly. So, like I was saying, let's get this bigger. Full screen. You want to listen to today's smartboard? Are we going to listen? So if you notice, correction, boom, boom, boom. What do you notice happens majority of the time when it comes back down? What happens majority of the time? Flood the chat. Sir from India. Block. No. It's still Ramadan. We're going to be nice. Bro, let me ask you a question, VW. Just a sincere question. Why do you feel the need to tell me where you're from? What? Is that nice? I just want to know.
Because they just want you to know that where they're watching.
But no one asking though. What is that? Is that not nice? Tell me. You have to let me know because I don't know. Is that not nice?
There's no need to react to it.
There's no need to. Okay, so I won't react.
Yeah.
So I won't react. I just want to know why it's always the Indians. It's nobody but the
I think
Indians.
That's what not like it oppresses you a bit.
We're gonna be nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna okay, fine. If you say don't get okay, fine. I'll let it go. Goes back up. Well, Ronnie, you got it, Ronnie. I love that picture of me and you, Ronnie. Thank you for posting that. Professor, quick question on the 15 and the 5. We're still Michael, I'm doing portfolio management live. Forget the 15 and the 5. But is it still viable? Of course, bro. Of course. VW, don't get blocked. Let me see how it looks. It looks clean.
Yeah.
Let me see, woman.
Oh, here.
Why are you not on 4K? You're on low quality.
Oh, I don't know.
It's okay. Yeah, you got high quality here. We stream on 4K, son. Oh, it looks crisp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As always.
Nice. Yep. I love the new bottom. Guys, what do you think of the bottom? You see the new bottom at the news
It
feed?
looks so clean.
Black with white font. I changed it.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? You like the old one? You like that? And I made it caps. Hopefully people can read all caps. It jumps back up. Very good. Consolidate back up. Hey, how can I get the book if I live in Africa? Coffee. Book. Daytradeprofessor.com. Is that fine? Or is that... Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I need you to let me know. Order block on the way up, pulls back halfway, small pullback that continues, pull back, just showing love. I appreciate you, just want. Especially now for the past 2 days, it's been parabolic. I only ask about highly volatile stock if certain time frames work better. I got you, but Michael, I'm doing a lesson, bro. You're distracting me from other stuff. I'm being nice. I'm from the internet. Starts to go sideways. Oh my God, I'm a mad messenger of the covenant and the prophets. May God help that screen name. Damn, bro, go fix that. Damn, you made me read a whole sentence before I got to greetings. Very crisp, Professor. Thank you, Justin. Looks good, looks amazing. Thank you. All right, thanks. Appreciate you. I came in late. Your book is great. Thank you, Michael. So back to the point. After major drops, could it go down further? Yes, it could go down further and further. But ultimately, what has always happened? Up, and away. We are in rough waters right now, rough times, TRUMPs, tariffs, political issues, the whole 9 yards. So this is normal. By the way, let me show you guys something. I'm excited. Oh no, I left the memory card in the computer. No, it's right here. It's right here. Ooh, that was close.
Yeah.
That was close. Guys, let me show you a new toy I bought that I might give away. I don't know. I just like giving things away. Tomorrow's the last day of Ramadan. Maybe I'll give it away. I don't know. I don't mind. You guys can have these things. I just feel happier when I give things away.
That's so cool.
It's so cool. Let me not hurt myself. Guys, look! A holographic version of me. Look at that. It's a holographic version of me. How does it look on camera?
Let me see. It's like loading.
It's giving you a lecture about hitting Sal and I believe in you. It's a hologram version of me. How does it look? It's not loaded yet. Yes, it's delayed. It's delayed live. It's not all perfect, you know. Hey.
Oh, you can see it. It's not. The lighting doesn't catch it.
The lighting doesn't catch it. It looks much better in person. Thank you,
Yeah,
madam.
it looks way
It
better.
looks a hologram. It's a hologram version of me telling you, just hit Sal. You know, I believe in you and that type of stuff. So maybe I'll give it away. Maybe I'm thinking of starting to give that away. You can have it on your desk. For those that bought the book,
Just hit sell.
with me talking to you, plug it in. It's a hologram version of me. I might go film maybe before I leave for Mexico in a few. I leave in June, so maybe I'll film and have it. I don't know. I'll think about it. But yeah. What do you guys think? Cool, nice. That's so cool. Yeah. I was just thinking of ways to enhance things for you. You know, you can just hit the button and I pop up in a hologram, so you get to see my face, hear my voice with me saying, "Just hit sell." But yeah. I'm glad you guys like it. Thank you. So back to this. We are falling right now and you're getting an opportunity. I don't know what stocks you're looking at, but I'll talk about some. Whatever stocks you're looking at, wait till they get into massive lows. They start going sideways. Page 41. Everyone should be on page 41. Everyone should be on page 41. But ultimately, that's what's happening. And by the way, that person that asked for the book, use the code EID, E-I-D, to get a discount on the books. EID, one word, 3 letters, boom. Boom. So, point being, we're holding here, we fell, bounced, and then came back down right here. Could we go down further? Of course. Just keep that in mind. We could. Anything goes with TRUMP, the tariff talk, all of that. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Let's go to the next one. TSLL. TSLL. Let's do it. So if you notice, that situation's going on with Elon Musk. So let me give the ticker. This is TSLL. Cool. Not TSLA. Right now it is $9.85. The record high was 40 something dollars. We are back in historical lows. All the issues going on with Tesla, the market falling, the whole 9 yards, right? Do you believe in Elon Musk, or you think it's a scam and all that stuff? Flood the chat. Check the TikTok, madam. Because that one usually, like I said, it needs to keep being updated.
It's okay.
Okay, sometimes a pop-up happens. Remember when I told you?
Yeah.
Boom.
It just doesn't get the.
Ah, I see what you did.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'd rather zoom in.
Done. No, you're right.
Yeah.
My bad.
Okay.
You're on the money. TikTok window. No, it's good.
Well,
Why aren't we commenting? I asked the question. Come on. Keep the chat going. 100%. I believe in Musk and Doge. Keep going. The Department of Government Efficiency. We're not talking about the crypto coin for those that might not know what's going on. Damn, TSLL is bleeding. Never bet against Tesla. I agree. I believe in Musk. I believe in his work. I support him. So overall consensus, good. So keep that in mind. We are at a great price. Anything below $9.60, I salute it. Anything below $10, I salute it. I believe this thing, I already spoke about this prior. I've spoken about a lot of these things. Do not think a lot of you, unfortunately, will buy it when it does this. Unfortunately, human beings, right? Human beings will do human being traits. What do? You'll buy right here at $24. What do you do? Some of you will buy here at $30. Because what if it goes lower? You have to kill off this obsession with what if it goes lower. You have to, again, everybody, page 41. And then also, not just page 41, page 58. Page 58 and page 60. You have to understand key levels. You have to understand buy and sell zones. I am busy with running a fish fry for charity. We'll watch you later. You're the best, Professor. Thank you. Run that fish fry, Tim. Run that fish fry. 100%. We have to stop this nonsensical behavior of buying when it starts pumping. Because you want to catch the bottom. Hey, Professor, code E does not work. Can you tell me what it works for? I know what you're doing. You're trying to buy this book. You will never get this book on a discount, Krishna. It works on every book but this one. There you go. That's it. It's that simple. Pay the full price for the original and get the discount for the rest. That tells me if you're serious or not serious. So there's TSLL 985. Could it go lower? Of course. Is it at record lows? It's at really nice prices. I'll give you that. Boom. Because if you notice, look where it's back at it again. You can clearly see highlight mode. I haven't used highlight mode in a long time. Oh, snap. I don't think I've used this in ages. I just created a zone with the bloody thing. Look where it is again. Look where it is again. I got back in mid $7. My man, Otterbox. My man. Mary, watching from London. What time is it in London, Mary? It must be late. I know it's probably 1, 2 in the morning. So boom. I got a whole lesson coming for this one later, but that's a different conversation. Next one, Neo. I had a lot of people ask for this. I don't know why. But I'll talk about it. That's fine with me. All right. We'll do multiple time frames. All right. The ticker is NEO, the Chinese electrical car company. This bad boy right now is $3.75. The high is in the 60s. Cool? If you notice, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, it is on a massive stage 1. Where are you located? Been subscribed. Where are you located, Professor? Been subscribed. I don't even know how to react. I just bought the book. The code is working. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate you. The codes are working. Man, that smart board is amazing. Appreciate it, bro. Here's the thing. China, if you know anything about China, they are very electric car, electric motorcycle, electric scooter, everything electric over there. They're big into that. They have a lot of competition. So now, I know NEO has pumped in the past. NEO was a great ticker during the virus days. I remember. I'm not a part of it because I'm not a fan of the Chinese. I'm not a fan of Chinese related anything. But what I will tell you is, it is on a massive stage 1. If you have like a crazy high price, I don't know what to tell you. But just based off the technicals, it did stop falling. I'm on the monthly time frame. So it stopped falling for months on end. But I know a lot of you are bag holding this. Flood the chat. Flood the chat. VW keeps saying, where are you located, Professor? Been subscribed. I don't know what that means. Been subscribed?
It's a different account. I don't know if they're...
Because if you're saying been subscribed, that means you've already been subscribed to me. You should know where I am. Bro, I live in New York. I live in New York.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's okay.
I'll let it go for it.
I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry. What can I eat? What did you give me recently? The dates with the chocolate? What else?
Yeah, you had the tacos.
Asha Pups?
You want that?
Yeah, but did I leave a mess here last time?
Did you?
So, you know what? Put in a bowl, put in a spoon. Let's piss people off tonight. Put in a bowl, and Spanish paprika, please. Put in 2, because I know you're going to eat it too. I already know you, woman.
No, yeah?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And did I bring me vitamins too, please? In a mason jar. Thank you.
You had vitamins, but if you want...
But how many scoops did you put in when you put in the beer mug?
1.5.
1.5.
Yeah.
Just do a 1. I need to get my vitamin levels up.
Okay.
Yes, please. You need a hologram that says so boom. Yeah, bro. I know it's hard to see there, but it looks really cool in person. It looks so cool in person. It's a hologram of me. But yeah, it looks so cool in person. I have a few friends that have been holding for years with average price mid. That's ridiculous, bro. $20, $30 mid average. Ugh. Keep going. Who's holding NEO? And why are you holding it, man? You need to embrace the idea of opportunity cost. You are wasting time in losers when that money could be spent in other aspects of your life. I've said this many, many times. Is it on a stage 1? Yes. I don't know how many shares some of you are holding, but we gotta stop these shenanigans, man. We have to respect the fact that some of these things might not be coming back up. There's better stuff out there. That's all I can tell you. You gotta wait for it to stop falling. And then you just got to, you know this.
Just itself.
You have to learn to start doing that. Keep going. Next one. RGTI. Why was this put on my thing? Well, people wanted it. People wanted it. People wanted it. This looks like XRP. This looks this looks like XRP. No movement. Stage 2. Falling, but really only like a 50% retracement. So this has just been on a steady, long stage 3. I'm on the weekly time frame on this one. Professor, the hologram looks like you in a Star Wars movie. Oh, Carlos, it does. Tell your friends to sell those Neo shares and put it in TSLL. Ilana, you already know. You already know. I'm holding MEO because I'm so lonely. MEO? MEO. Because I'm so lonely. I don't know what that means. MEO. MEO. Neo. MEO. I don't get it, finance. I don't get it. But this RGTI ain't looking so hot. Ain't looking so hot. A lot of indecision, weakness for the past 3 weeks. No clear direction. All, if I could tell you one thing tonight is wait for clear direction. Wait for clear direction. You, for example, look in the market we're in right now. There's no clear direction. We're just going down. We had one little pump, back down. You know what really happened today? Not today, but in general. This is what's happening. No, let me do it better. That's not, I don't like that. It came down, it did a bounce, and now it's gonna come back down. Could it go back further? Could. Wait for another move up, down, down. Stage 1 has been initiated. Stage 1 has been initiated. Please chart MSTC. No. Stage 1 has been initiated. That's when you can wait for certain things. And just so you know, no one can time the bottom. We need to stop following and watching people that think they can time the bottom, because then you know what happens? I get all the remnants of people telling people buy the top. It's record. You buy something after it's fallen drastically. Drastically. Oh, come on, Professor. That was a great pun. Neo, MEO. I didn't get it, finance. Can we look at gold? I already said we're doing gold. Can we look at Bitcoin? Mary, it's a stock portfolio management live, not crypto. Professor, can you elaborate on clear direction? Clear direction means a pump. Mark, page 41. Page 41, bro. That's what I can tell you. Code, please. Getting bundled. I'm done waiting. I already said the code. Ghost EID. EID. I already said it. I've said it like 3 times. You were the first one here. This is invaluable. Thank you. CCL is doing the same. CCL? What is CCL? Carnival Cruise Lines? Wait for this event to take place and then go for it. But you want a clear direction, record lows, and you know what else you want? Something that many of you don't have? Conviction in the trade. Because if it falls $1 or 2 more, you panic sell, and then you watch it rocket ship, and what do you end up doing? For example, the stock falls from, I don't know, 70 down to 10. You don't buy because you're like, I want it at $5. By the way, I'm using a student's analogy. Who I told him about a stock on the secret Instagram. Record lows. He didn't buy it. I wanted to go lower. This was maybe from a year ago. Maybe 8 months ago story. Never went there. Went up. Didn't buy. Went up. Didn't buy. Went up. Bought it then. And then it fell down more. Madam, stop.
What?
You're not putting...
What?
Get a big bowl. Get a big bowl. Get a big bowl. How can you even pull a maneuver like that?
Well, I did.
Give me this.
Yeah.
Put it down gently. Give me the... No, give me that. No. Put that down. Put that down. Go get a bowl. Go get a bowl. That is very reckless of what you did.
Oh, reckless.
That's very reckless.
That's a big word.
That's a big word. So what's up, Eric? So what I would tell you to do is get conviction on a stock you believe in. Wait for it to be record lows. Wait for it to be record lows. Because I'm telling you right now, all the pain and suffering the market is going through is a temporary pain and suffering. When everything goes in order, when everything with TRUMP that he wants to do, Doge, government efficiency, help everybody, whatever he's planning, there will be suffering, but then the spring comes. Next year, I believe 2026, we will see record everything. Everything will be glorious.
Yep. Good enough.
No, stainless steel bowl. Listen to me. The stainless steel bowl.
They're downstairs.
Go downstairs. Where are your bowls?
They're all downstairs.
God bless. This is God bless. I bought you your own bowls, woman. Everything you explain wrong we do, I'm suffering. Everything you explain wrong we do, I'm suffering from. Yeah. You were her stop loss. Boom. How do we get on your secret Instagram, Professor? You have to be a mentorship student. It's free. It's not like a subscription service. I don't believe in subscription service. I don't believe in this monthly paying BS. You became a trader to become free. You did not become a trader to rely on anybody. To me, it's the most insane concept. I think I'm freer than any social media personality out there because they have to log in Monday to Friday and entertain their traders in a group chat Monday to Friday. God bless them, but you're not free. You're enslaved. I do what I want. I teach when I want. I do literally when I want, however I want. I teach my students to become independent and free. You pay once and then, thank you, madam. Wait. Let me do it. Let me do it. Oh, this smells good. Is that the Spanish paprika? All right. By the way, folks, this is what she brought it in. And this is what I need it in.
Oh, come on.
All right, come on. Come piss people off. Let's trigger these weak men. Pathetic weakness. The hate comments. The hateful email was hilarious. To go out of your way to write a hateful email about you feeding me pineapples? Was it pineapples?
Yes.
Pineapples. Bunch of weaklings. They're so good. By the way, I saw some of you went and bought Asha Pops. Let me get one bite, man, please. Excellent. Contrarian advice. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the support. You're amazing. I appreciate you, bro. Jacqueline, what stocks are good to buy now? Jacqueline, you're asking the wrong questions. I went reckless today, bought MES at boom and held waiting for Monday. You're crazy, Robin. You're crazy. And what do you mean waiting for Monday? Market opens Sunday, 6 p.m. Hey, Professor, do you check the daily economic and stock market news every day? Example, terrorists. Zhang, I check an overall consensus. How can we access the free course on YouTube? Because I logged in, but it won't open. Only watch the videos. Mary, daytradeprofessor.com is where the free course is. Another bite, please.
Yes. I'll take it.
You're sneezing because of the Spanish paprika. So I'm done with RGT, yeah. All right, next ticker. J Blue. Let's go. Let the weak men trigger. Let's trigger some more of them. Next ticker, Jet Blue. Can you go on camera? Someone messes and said don't use red. They can't see. See if you can see that. On camera. Reverse osmosis, alkaline mineral water with a drop of nasenite and a glass mason jar. You know the vibes? You know the vibes? JetBlue is at 521. JetBlue is a billion-dollar industry. Billion dollar company. They're building a brand new massive terminal in JFK.
Looks good.
JetBlue, it looks good, thank you. It is not JFK. It is JetBlue is not going anywhere. And goddamn, it's cheap. And I've said this multiple times. It's good. I think we triggered enough people. They'll send a hateful email later. God, I love these. Oh, you know what to do next?
Yeah. What?
Melt popcorn. Melted popcorn over them.
Melt butter.
What did I say?
Popcorn.
Melted butter.
Melt butter. Okay.
So good. Thank you. JetBlue loves to play the $5 to $8 range. JetBlue loves to play the $5 to $8 range. By the way, I've said this for many, many years. If you're new to the game of the stock market, you can't handle the speed, the volatility of some of these tickers. JetBlue, make it your best friend. For those of you that don't believe in the market, you think it's a scam, cool. JetBlue, when you go try to book an airline, a flight somewhere, JetBlue shows up. Delta, JetBlue, United, Spirit, I don't think exists anymore from what I remember. Thank you for the code. Bundle, damn, son, discount was amazing. Am I tweaking? Or am I tweaking? That sentence makes no sense. Or am I
Yeah,
losing?
it does.
Bundle order, damn, son, discount was
This is
amazing.
how you read it. Bundle order. Damn, son. Discount code was amazing. Thank you. How long until they get shipped?
Okay. How long, Ghost? I don't know, but they'll ship out soon. They'll ship out soon. You know what? They'll ship out this weekend. Professor, when New York mentorship class starts, in which months? May? May.
31st.
April sold out. Puerto Rico. I'll be in Puerto Rico in 3 weeks. May is the next class. Riaz,
31st.
May 31st. Here's the link. I'll drop the link for you, player. You guys got to start going to daytradeprofessor.com, man. Everything's there. Everything's there. Boom. There you go, Riaz. JetBlue Air is an American carrier. Travelers rated, boom, on average indicated, yeah. Damn, did I miss the... No, discount code is EID, Eid, the Muslim holiday. Use it, King Santos. It's a great discount code. Use it. But back to this. If you don't believe in it, this is what I would tell you to do. Ticker, JBlue. Anytime it's in the $5 range, depending on what kind of person you are, put anywhere between $50 to $100 in. Or more if you want. And then sell when it gets into the 8s. And then rinse and repeat. Is that hard to do for some people? Let me know. Is that a hard maneuver to do? Especially for those that don't believe in the market and are too scared. Hands up, you're too scared of trading. Do you offer classes in New York? Yes, I do. I'll just drop the link on the top. No, it's not hard. No good options. Futures all the way. Castano, this is not a futures conversation. This is not a futures conversation. This is a long term. That's why it's called Portfolio Management Live. Long term. Swing trading, long term investing. So this is not. Can you use your personal account and answer them?
Yeah.
What's your personal account?
It's private. I don't even have a profile picture. It's Brenda Mendoza.
No. Let it go then. The code is EID. EID, Nick. The code is EID. EID. Actually, you can use the computer.
I can use your phone.
No, that's on. It's connected to the music. Go get the laptop. It's connected to the day trade professor.
They need to listen.
They don't. It's human beings. Go get the laptop.
Okay, fine.
The code is EID, Nick, to get the book. Not blocking anyone yet. Come on, son. I haven't blocked anyone yet. Now you scared me. I stayed invested overnight on bad timing, super reckless, but not worried. It's so, Robin, I just need to tell you the truth. But like you said, this is not complicated. Not scared, balls deep in TSLL. Martin, you're funny. They're scared because they haven't taken the mentorship. I appreciate you, Eli. I think I said that already. Maybe I'm tweaking. Do you see what I'm saying? That bowl of whatever you're eating didn't stand a chance. Bro, Asha Pops. So good. So good. So good. And then I got my vitamins that I drink. I've been drinking this since I was 19 years old. It's a supplement, a vitamin supplement. It's on the secret Instagram. Professor, I bought a few shares of J Blue at $5.45, but I will buy more. Cool? Mark, for whatever reason, swing trading is harder than day trading for me. Mark, that's fine. So how about you, Mark? How about you try this Monday morning? Buy some J Blue and wait till it gets into the 8s and hit sell. And that's it. Don't worry if it goes to 8.59. Don't worry about it. Create a target and hit sell. And then rinse and repeat until you get your confidence level up. Just stop buying stocks that are overextended. Stop holding on to things your abuelita told you about. Stop doing these things. That is the cause of your failure.
You're not logged in with your professor. Here.
Woman, just go get the laptop that is logged in. I don't know my passwords,
What do
man.
you mean the laptop that's logged in?
I don't know my passwords for anything. I'm going to try my best to do it, but... No, actually, no. My day trade professor is not linked to my YouTube. It's another email I use that goes within that. No, I'm telling you. It's so I can never get hacked.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
My email that is out there publicly are not linked to my YouTube. I use a proxy email that no one knows exists to... I'm about to sneeze. Shukran. You understood what I said?
Yeah.
It's a proxy email.
Okay.
No one knows exists. So if people try to hack my Instagram, cool, I don't care. I don't like it anyway. The YouTube can't be hacked. It's a proxy email, which I don't know the information for.
Well, I'm not logged in on.
I know where it's then. Next time.
Yeah.
I'll try to figure it out and log in for Friday's live. You can put this on charge, please. The code already has... Alara, use a different email then. Simple. Use an easy solution. Use a different email. I'm locked in. Inshallah, that Bloody Mary do what it's supposed to. I'm definitely going to buy... That's not a Bloody Mary, bro. It's vitamins. And minerals, amino acids. I don't drink alcohol. Buying low and having a target to help me to hold longer for swings. Boom. That's it. That's the conversation to be had. Let's keep going. By the way, I'm going to keep the code EID, EID going all the way until Eid, Sunday, the Muslim holiday. Call it the Christmas for Muslims. For those of you that don't understand what it is. Call it the Christmas for Muslims. But I'll leave it going until Sunday midnight because I know this will be watched in the future. So you guys can take care of that. Are you Muslim because these stocks you're suggesting are not halal? So JetBlue is not halal? See, I'm going to block this guy. Just that comment proves he's low frequency. That's not nice. But do you see why I want to block that?
Yeah.
What does that... So let me ask you a question, right? This Naveed guy, I'm going over JetBlue, which is an airline company that flies people. Tell me what's haram or forbidden about that. Nothing.
Absolutely.
So what does that tell you about this character?
He's not informed.
He's not informed, clueless, and gets infiltrated by outside noise too easily, weak-minded. So do you think he'll survive in the market?
It's just ignorance.
No, it's not even about ignorance. It's 2025. I have 3 cell phones, for God's sakes. The information's there. It proves that these weak-minded individuals, see, I'm going back. We have 3 more days till Ramadan ends.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just ignorance.
No, but I'm just saying, this is no common sense with this guy.
It's just ignorance.
Should I block him? Or that's not, no. Starting Monday, woman, I have to go a little, I need to go a little bit back to my old self. I gotta go a little bit back to my old self because, my God.
It's alright.
No, my issue is, if I block him, he won't like me, right? He'll never buy the book. He'll never enter the classroom. That's the reasoning I do the blocking. Because if a low frequency individual ends up in the classroom and they don't do well, who do they blame? It's my fault. I can already wipe him out because he has no common sense. That's my logical reasoning. I'm trying to prevent low frequency people to getting anywhere near me or my students. They can accidentally infect them. I can't be infected. I'm too old. My mindset is set. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's my reasoning ultimately. You want me to block him? It's cool. It's cool. Monday we going back. It's according to Musafa screening meta. Can I?
I can't.
We're doing it? Let's go! Naveed, I've been dying to block somebody.
Honestly, at that point,
Yeah, to see what he's saying.
you just kept going.
You're blocked.
You're blocked.
Let's go! Bro, I've been dying to block somebody. Ramadan has been making me a nice guy and has been killing me. He's gone. He's gone. 3 more days, then block him. Don't waste your time reacting to the... I know, Jacqueline. I know, girl. I know. All right, JetBlue. So back to what I was saying. Let's go to a higher time frame for a second. I want you to understand what I'm about to say very carefully. Because human beings only want to listen to what they want to listen to, but will ignore every other word out of my mouth. Normal human being behavior. Normal human being behavior. Normal, right? Check this. JetBlue, $1 billion company. If it's hateful comment, just block them. I don't even want to deal with it.
No, they're laughing that you blocked again.
They're laughing? Okay. Massive move, sideways, fell, moved up, sideways, fell, whatever, right? Check this. I'm on the monthly. What do you notice about JetBlue on the monthly time frame? Flood the chat. Again, everyone, I've sold thousands and thousands of these. We're on page 41. Please get to the point where this book is out. And you should be recording and posting on your stories and tagging me if you're public, I'll see it. That you're watching me on TV and you got page 41 open. But don't put page 41 on your story. Put the book on it. Let's go. What does it mean? Very good, Stargazer. Stage 1. What does it mean when it's been on it for such a long time? Let's go. Can I tell you? I know this is weird, but that felt really good blocking that guy. I don't know what it is, but I enjoy it. Like, you don't even know. Like, I feel like weight was lifted off my shoulders. This month of Ramadan of being nice to everyone, I'm not built for it anymore. I'm telling you, I'm not built for it. I'm built for just blocking people. Thank you, madam. What is the name of the vitamin supplement? Avila, it's on a secret Instagram. I've been on this since I was 19. This has everything your body needs from my doctor that I love so much. I love this doctor. I got all his books. She's been reading his books. You like his books? I love this doctor. What I say on the live? Hell no. You got to get on a secret Instagram. Stage 2 is coming. Rocket ship. Breakout. It's time to break out. What's up, Gordo? Bye, bye, bye. Don't you feel relieved you blocked someone today? I do. I think you should be nice every time, not just random. Not just Ramadan.
I agree.
Very good, Otterbox. This has been on the longest stage 1. It had a little dump here to take out the weak paper-handed people. It's moving. The potential for this billion-dollar company, JetBlue airplanes everywhere. We gotta have some common sense for a second. If you think JetBlue is leaving us anytime today, you are out of your mind, homie. The longer it stays on this, page 41 in the 5th edition, this one, page 41, the higher chance of it, boom. So I'm telling you, you have to learn to have a portfolio of stocks that you believe in. The key word again is conviction. Your belief cannot be a random guy on the internet telling you have conviction. You have to have your own belief in these stocks. This is why you guys paper hand everything, man. That's why you guys paper hand everything. I don't use IG. Why is he saying I don't use IG? Professor, a quick question. Should we focus on the monthly or weekly when evaluating? Page 41, I'm at page 41. It's close to the bottom of my buy zone. PayPal's on a longer stage 1 on the monthly. I got you, Sal. Sal, why are we bringing up other tickers? Stick with this one. But just keep that in mind. I'm just letting you know when people say psychology doesn't work, bro, I don't care what this world thinks. This is why a lot of you are screwed up. You're falling into the trap of social media. What he's saying, what she's saying, are they making money? Is he making money? How much he's making? Why? No matter what I say and do, you will just fall into the same trap. Sign up for 6 to 8 different discords. Wait for a signal. By the time you get the signal, it's too late. You're entrapped. You're enslaved. You don't have time freedom. You lie to yourself every day. You wake up Monday to Friday and turn on your stupid ass Discord. And you wait for that stupid noise of that Discord. For the nonsensical alert. Somehow everyone is, what do the kids say? You eating? All these kids are eating, but then your dinner is never served for some reason. When will you wake up, man? I don't know when some of you will wake up. But that's why I'm not for the masses. I'm not for majority of you. So I don't show you majority of the personal behind the scenes of my life because there is no point to it. You just get attracted to the new shiny object social media shows you. But just so we're clear, Manhattan was taken from the natives of Manhattan by shiny objects. Like what? Beads, buttons. Google exactly that. What exactly was paid to buy Manhattan from the natives? Yeah, the algonquin. Yeah, but yes, but what the freak? Give me the whole thing, man. They thought it was shiny objects, whatever it was. It's just a few things. Just giving your audience another option on stage 1 if they want to take a look. Sal, stop it. In your opinion, Professor, how high can JetBlue go long term? Read page 41. Nothing works. Exactly, Eric. Nothing works. You told us about JetBlue a few months ago around the same price. Then it went up a few bucks. Easy flip. Thank you. You're welcome, Matt. Yo, I love this Matt Miche guy. I swear to God, I love this guy. He takes every play that I say, doubles, triples, quadruples, 10X's on it, repeats, listen. He's not a mentorship student. He has my books because I gave him a discount. I know photographic memory. Never signed up for the mentorship. Got all the books. Prints on everything and listens me to a T. Wow. Just prints this Matt Mitchie guy. Love this guy. Sal, on the other hand, is very annoying. I blocked him and I unblocked him. I blocked him and I've unblocked him. What was I just saying? Oh, the Native American story. You get caught by this shiny object syndrome, by whatever the shiny objects are that you fall entrapped to. But then you realize that shiny object is meaningless towards you. When what you really wanted, what you really needed, was to learn exactly how the candles, levels...
Don't take trades at 9:30.
Damn it! Candles, levels, multiple time frames. When all you've ever needed was...
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
That's all you've ever needed. But you keep with the Discord BS, the monthly subscriptions. Manhattan was purchased from the Native Americans in 1626 for goods worth 60 guilders, often cited as... No, I know, Eric, but they gave him what? A basket of beads? I'm trying to remember, man. Can you search that up, please? It now is driving me crazy. I know the answer, but it was a basket of beads,
What did the natives,
shiny things.
What did the natives give?
What did the Europeans give to the natives
to buy Manhattan?
to buy Manhattan? It was beads, some shiny thingies. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's driving me crazy now. All you need to do is find bloodshed, devastated, billion-dollar good companies, not Chinese, not Neo, good companies. Have the conviction in it, do your research, do all of it, and then when it gets to your price target, again, folks, for God's sakes, learn to be independent. Stop trusting the guy on the internet. I'm talking about me. I'm trying to get you to be free of me.
That's what's in blue.
Yeah, that's right. Mix of beads, tools, cloth, kettles, axes, knives, and other manufactured European goods. To the natives, oh my God, look at these cool little shiny gifts. For example, what is valuable to you? Flood the chat. That might not be valuable to somebody else. I'll prove something to you right now. Flood the chat. Flood the chat. I don't mean to be annoying, nothing but love. I know, Sal, you have love, but if I'm in a lesson, why are we bringing up other tickers? You've been with me for years. You know better. Come on now. Come on now. Again, by the way, guys, I'm going to leave the code Eid. The Muslim holiday of Eid, like for Christians is Christmas. Similar for you to connect. Use the code for the watchers who are watching this in the future. I'll leave it till Sunday midnight. Can you remember that? Disable the discount code Sunday midnight. It should be on Sunday, they're saying. I'm glad I found this channel. Fantastic. Appreciate that, Charles. Thank you, bro. I like that. Knowledge, Igor. Everyone, flood the chat. What is knowledge to you that others are like, what's so stupid that you know that? Flood the chat. For those saying time, what do you do with your time that others will view as, what a waste of time? Flood the chat. Yep, Eric just dropped the same answer. Right. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. Appreciate it. Flood it, let's go. I should see over 100 people actively engaging. Again, quick reminder, I will not be live on Tuesday. I'm doing a private mentorship only class, where I go over something, a new topic that I don't talk about publicly, will never mention publicly, a new style of doing levels, a new way of doing levels. So I'm going over that on Tuesday. So I'll see you back on Friday. And just keep this in mind, I will be in Puerto Rico in 3 weeks. So you will not see me live here. I'm leaving in 3 weeks. But we will be live on Instagram 2 times a day, every day when I'm in Puerto Rico, from the Puerto Rico mansion. Boom. Professor, all this is new. I will follow your lead. Thank you, sir. Alex Maldonado, appreciate you, bro. Listen, start the free course. If you see the news feed at the bottom, free course, daytradeprofessor.com. Go there. Start the free course. Then start trading a little bit. Paper trade if need be for 1 month. Then get the books. Get this one first, then this one, then this one. And then if you make some money, give that some money to your mother, And then save up for the class, and I'll see you in New York. Knowledge is the opposite of ignorance. I don't care what others think. Weak mind. I know, Ghost. I know. Since I found this channel, I'm not losing 100% of trades anymore. Appreciate you, Junior. Appreciate that, bro. Thank you for the nice comments. Not going with the crowd and trying to improve myself. Spending time learning to trade, attending these classes, and trying to be consistent. That others see no. Very good, Ahmed. Knowledge about how to maximize time management. Professor, I have to be glued to your videos next week. Preeti, I got you. Amazing channel. Learned a lot for sure. Keep up the good. Look at all the nice people coming in. Look at this. Amazing, amazing new people. Shout out to you with all the good videos you've been making. Good job. You're welcome. $24 worth of trinket. Beatrice, you are far behind on the live right now, girl. Fast forward. You probably walked in late and thought it was a good idea to watch it delayed. Bad idea. Bad idea, because now you're throwing off my comment section. That's like being in a classroom and giving me an answer for 30 minutes ago. No one wants to hear it. But you guys said it. For example, many of you will spend your time learning a new skill, like trading, like some of you said. Others will say, what a waste of time. But then what do normal people know? They know what the Kardashians are doing. They know all the gossip. What is a stupid-ass TV show your generation watches? Like, what are they into? Like, this really stupid brain-numbing.
Love is Blind.
I don't know what that is. You have to tell me what that is.
It's a dating show.
Okay, what channel?
I don't know.
So the show, who watches it? Your generation?
My friends watch it. Yeah.
So, what is it called?
Love is Blind.
A show called Love is Blind. It's a dating show?
Yeah.
So boys, girls go out with each other and then say, no, I'm not going to go out with you?
It's a blind dating.
It's a blind dating show. What generation are you considered? What's the name?
Oh, Gen Z.
Gen Z is into that nonsense, right? They will spend hours binge watching this garbage. What season is it on?
I don't know. I don't want.
For example, you know what? Forget that example. Let me just use an example from my time. Because I can't keep up with these examples. During my time, the trend was to watch MTV. Come on, brain. 16 and Pregnant. A show about teen pregnancies, right? I never watched it, but all my friends used to watch shows on MTV about teen pregnancies. It was the trend back then. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Okay? But that was it. I never watched it. I remember people in school talking about it. Oh, you heard what? I'm like, what are y'all talking about? Oh, the second thing, which will piss people off. Let's go. Let's trigger some people tonight. Sports. I know nothing of batting averages. What do you call that when you know the stats? I don't know the stats of your favorite basketball player, but some of you, I bet, could get the stats immediately. And you think that's normal? To know stats of men that run for 3 hours in short shorts back and forth, dribbling a rubber ball all day, throwing it through a hoop? That is normal to you. That should tell you something about reality, right? Perspective. The real world. I never watched that, Gordo, but I think I know what you're talking about. I heard about it, but I never watched it. Honestly, Professor, reading. Some people think reading. You know, Liz, I agree with you, girl. My Mexican homegirl from New Mexico. I'm leaving for Mexico in June for 3 months. Not fighting Muay Thai, not writing book. Well, I will write the 4th book, but not the point. I'm going for what? To read more. I'm not reading enough. And I'm pissed about that. I'm taking a suitcase. That's your next project when I come back from Puerto Rico. Fill up with it, because, I come back in Puerto Rico, I leave 2 months after. I'm taking a suitcase filled with books. And I was telling my assistant Mendoza that today. I'm like, this is my Mexico. My entire Mexico is wake up, work out around the 4 acres of the private resort, run some laps in the big-ass pool. She goes, what about the mentorship? I said, bro, I'm there for over 100. I'm there for like 120 days, roughly, right? The mentorship, I have 4 mentorships in Mexico. What's 6 times 4?
I'm there for 90 days.
Like 100.
Okay.
What's 6 times 4?
24.
I'm 24 days of mentorship out of the 100 plus days I'm there. So I'm only busy for 24 days. The rest of the days, work out, swim, trade the market. I'll go live on Instagram. No YouTube lives over the summer. I won't be in the country. And then read, take naps, read, take naps. I remember that show, Professor. There you go, Carlos. Were you on 16 and Pregnant, Carlos? And now most of those stars from those days are broke. Boom. Jersey Shore. I watched Jersey Shore. I'm not going to lie. I watched it. Everybody watched it. I'm like, what is this show about? And I watched it. What was that girl's name? Snooki? Snookers? Something like that. Where's Cheryl Gold? Where's Cheryl Gold? She'll pop up now that you said her name. Since 2021, I'm no longer wasting time on YouTube or Instagram, never TikTok. Good. You should unsubscribe, unfollow everyone, including me. No, I'm serious. This is all garbage. Learn to be independent and go be free. You know why I'm saying it's garbage? Ready? As they're watching this, everyone, prove this to me. If you're watching this on YouTube, exit full screen and look to your right of your YouTube. What is to your right? Every influencer recommending you. Right now, everyone, watch this. Test the strategy out. Look at your side as you're watching this. Flood the chat. Don't say the influencer's name. We don't bring drama on my live. But flood the chat. What does each person's thumbnail say on the right? That's why I hate social media. That's why these people can't be consistent in anything in their life. They're distracted. Thumbs up to the professor. Appreciate you. Glorifying garbage. Ever since I started following you, I don't know a single sports stat or a show is on charts. Appreciate you, Matt. Yeah, bro. I love you too, man. Thank you, bro. I love you too. A fourth book. When goes the fourth book will be different from all three books. It's going to be a love story for the market. It'll be 100 poems with really nice pictures about the market. Like a romance to the market. Just a fun book I'll write. That sounds amazing. Hoping to join you for the live trading later this year. Professor, let's go. Tomas, which one? Mexico or live trading Christmas? Oh, by the way, speaking of that, guys, when you go to daytradeprofessor.com and sign up for the mentorship, for the first time, I've opened up Christmas live trading to the watchers. I've opened it. Where you can come and just live trade. You're not learning you're not going to learn how to make levels. You're not going to learn psychology. You're not going to learn any of that. Excuse me. Just live trade with me on campus the whole week of Christmas. So that dates are up as well. I carry your small book, Enrich Dad, Poor Dad, every with me. Thank you, Liz. Appreciate it. The code worked. Thank you. Just bought the last missing book. Next step will be the mentorship. Let's go, Laura. Yeah, guys, use the code EID, the Muslim holiday EID, E-I-D, to get 50% off the books. Enjoy. Ha ha ha, MTV Cribs. Oh, bro, I loved MTV Cribs. That's different. That's not degeneracy. Seeing how rich people lived when I was like 17 years old, 16, that's not degeneracy. That's just seeing how the elites lived. I don't think that's nothing wrong with MTV Cribs. I loved MTV Cribs. You don't know what that is, right?
No.
That was a show back in my time where they took you to every celebrity's house. All the rich celebrities, rock stars, everybody. Showed you the inside of their house, their fridge, their everything. Their cars. Yeah. Speaking the truth about being online. I'm just telling you. You are correct, Professor. Bachelor. I never watched. I'm a man. I'm sorry, Igor. I'm a man. I know about The Bachelor. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
That was a show for my time. I never watched that show. I believe that show was for women. By the way, if that pisses somebody off, cool. Unfollow. I don't care. Any other people talking about trading, I stopped watching. You are my only mentor. Appreciate you, Stargazer. I love that idea for a book. When did you come up with that? When? I don't remember, Eric. I think when I was in Thailand, working on the rest of the books, maybe September, October. A love story, a love quote to the stock market, and then really nice, cool pictures designed. It'll be 100 poems and 100 nice pictures. A nice size like this one. Madam, can you give me the other book? Small one, please. I don't want to take it off from here.
Where'd I go?
Right there. You put it on that stand. Okay. Looking into Christmas, I don't think I'll be able to work out Mexico. I got you, Tomas. Thanks for all the discounts. Oh, by the way, mentorship students, you get, thank you. It'll be the size of this. The size of the Just Hits. The size of the Just Hit Sell book. That's what the size will be on it. But yeah. Are we good live on TikTok?
Yes, I just refreshed it.
Okay.
So
But it came up, right?
Yeah.
Told you.
The
It pops up to cancel the live out.
Yeah.
Yeah, mentorship students, remember, don't pay full price for Christmas live trading. You get, I think, 90%, 60, whatever. I think you get like 90% off or something on Christmas live trading. So don't pay the full price. You guys always get those discounts. You get like 70% off of Mexico live trading. You guys can just get discounts once you're a New York student. Pimp My Ride. Oh, I love Pimp My Ride. Pimp My Ride was a show where you brought on garbage cars, like a beat up Honda Civic, and they made it cool. Big ass TVs. One time, I don't know what they did. It's on YouTube. You can watch it. It's really cool. Back in my days. I love Pimp My Ride car looks. That's not degeneracy. That exhibit. Oh man, y'all bringing back some good old memories back in the days. It's funny because she don't know what the hell we're talking about. I feel like a grandpa. I'd rather read than watch TV. Me too. All right, back to the charts. Keep accumulating JetBlue because the longer it goes sideways, the bigger chance of it exploding. So yeah. Next one, PLT. I hate talking about PLTR, but I noticed a lot of mentorship students brought it up. I told you about this when it was $5. $5. I told you to buy this, Mr. Matt. I don't want to butcher his name, but Matt Michi. Michi, how would you say his last name?
Mitchie.
Michi.
I think-
Matt Michi.
Yeah.
Eric Torres. Tomas. Salvatore. My mentorship students. What price did I tell y'all to buy PLTR? Christmas tree. Bro, I just told. Well, it's okay. It's a human being and human being traits. Zach, I just said daytradeprofessor.com, man. I just said it. Do I not speak clear?
Yeah.
So what do you? Nah, it's
I
okay.
can't
We're gonna
be
let it
more
go.
clear.
I can't be more clear. It's there. Look, it's right at the new news feed. Nice and bold and black and white. Like it's beautiful. Look how clean it
You
looks.
pinned it.
I pinned it at the top of the YouTube. Like it's everywhere. Humans will be humans. MTV Cribs and Pimp My Rides are a lie. Some of the houses on Cribs were rented and Pimp My Ride didn't fix the car mechanically. Well, I don't know about the rented houses, Eric. I'm not getting into that. But it was just nice to see. Yes, you did. $6.80. Was it 3, 4? Like 5-ish, Eric. 5-ish. 6, 7. Very good. This thing went to $125. I stopped talking about it. Sal says $6 and still holding. Damn, homie. Sal, in high school, you was the man, homie. What happened to you? I want to block him now. Now I'm going to let it go. I want to just give him a panic attack. I blocked him, but I unblocked him.
Oh, okay.
I unblocked him. But PLTR is at record highs. You guys can go back. I asked you to go find the video. I'm on video in one of my lives saying PLTR will be worth $100 when it was only like $6. I said that. You have to find a day where you go through and find those videos. You didn't do that, by the way. Finding stocks that I called that were worth nothing and have drastically exploded. You got to go and find that video somewhere.
Have to give me a bit of a timestamp.
You think I know?
So you have so many.
You think I know? Exactly. I have so many.
But do you remember?
Actually, I could actually help you with that.
They probably remember.
No.
the year.
You go figure out, look at the chart and see where PLTR when it was between $5 and $10. Look at those dates.
Okay.
And go find the lives from those dates. Boom. I just did it for you. If there's anything I've learned in my time with you, Professor, it is wise to buy anything you're talking about and sell anytime you're done. You got it. Tomas is a smart man. Tomas, how old are you? 21? 22? He said it well. If there's anything I've learned in my time with you, Professor, it is to buy anything you're talking about and sell when you're done. That's it. I don't even want to do and talk about this. You know why? Because when I talk about it, people will buy it.
Yeah.
I don't want to. Because I talked about this. I screamed PLTR. For example, Sunday we're going to my family's party, right? PLTR was like $5, $6 at the last family party. Do you know what I did? It was my sister's wedding anniversary. We were, my brother-in-law did, what do you call those people that do the thing? Hibachi. He brought the hibachi. He did a private hibachi event at my sister's house. Everyone's sitting in the little thingies, right? I took everyone's phone, every cousin, every uncle. PLTR, log in right now. Let me see. Okay. Some of them have Robinhood. Okay, PLTR, swipe up. Next, swipe up. Let me see. PLTR, right now, PLTR. Everyone banked. They banked. So what are you doing? What do you think I'm doing on Sunday's party? Don't say that ticker. That ticker I told everyone on secret Instagram. I'm making everyone buy it like there's no tomorrow. I'm going to make them put their life savings in it. And that stock that I said in the secret Instagram will 12x. 12x. And I'm going to make sure they all bank on that. If there's, I read that. $26, boom. So point being, I don't want to talk about PLTR. I'm not going to try. I'm sorry for those students that mentioned it. I'm not going to. All I can tell you is, if you go watch the movie Minority Report, Palantir is Minority Report. They do a lot of things behind the scenes. I'm making a social media, Netflix, etc. pause to focus on important stuff and not get distracted. I've been rewatching YouTube videos from you, learned a lot, got no distractions. I love it. Eric, JetBlue, MRO, PLTR, TSL, no doubt of your consistency. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. I told them to buy this oil stock called MRO at like $5. Thing went to God knows what price.
You talked about this a long time.
And it had a merger, and I forget who bought it, but it had a merger, and MRO is gone now. It doesn't exist in the market anymore. But records, everything records.
Mm-hmm.
But it's all good. Yeah. Point being, I don't want to talk about it. And I said my reasoning for those watching. Mara too. Thank you, Tomas. So I'm not going to talk about PLTR. But just know, I told y'all to buy it a long time ago. Next one. Oh, another one. TQQQ. There's a whole live on, and it has barely any views. There's a whole live on TQQ. I told them, oh, it's right here. And I never deleted the levels. I told them to buy at $16. It went to the top of my levels. Swear to God, wallahi, I never made these again. For those that don't believe a word that comes out of my mouth, go to my YouTube, search out best ETF to invest in. These levels have hit. For those that don't trust and think everything's fake, I got you. Watch this. The levels are 1633, 2013, 2447, 2985, 4045, 4668, 5818, 6637, 7770, 9168. Go search that video up. To the T, homie.
Wow.
In high school, you was the man. I'm not going to talk about this either. Because there's a video I made. Go find that. There you go. It was made around January, December of 2022. 3 years ago, I made the video on it. And since the time of my making of that video, this thing has only done one thing. Hit the top. Now it looks like it's coming back down. Levels work. Candles work. I keep telling you.
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
That's all you need. On record, that video is there. I put my name out there. My word out there. And I don't delete them. Believe what you want. But you need to stop relying on these social media traders, bro. You need to stop it. Put your big boy pants on and learn to take it seriously. That's why I have the free course. It's free. I know some of you watching saying, oh, no, it's free. And please stop DMing me and my team about you forgetting your password. You need to man up and just make a new account with a new email. Jesus Christ, some of you are just, I have to be nice. Let's see what happens on Monday. I'm going to go back to being buck wild on Monday. I'll stay calm a little bit. But it's time to go buck wild again. Block everybody and their mothers. I really like the new bottom of the news feed. That looks so clean. So clean. And Ian did a good job with the new background. I like the way the candles are moving. I met him.
I'm sorry.
Ian did a good job. His name is Ian, my graphic designer.
It looks good all together, yeah.
So again, I ain't going over to this. I'm not. Go watch the video. Because you guys are actively waiting for signals from some weirdo on the internet. No dinner after the I'm good. I'm not gonna eat.
No.
So I'm gonna do for tomorrow the lamb chops.
Yeah.
You really didn't remind me to order the pasta.
I did.
Yeah, no. You have to keep on me until I do it. You know this. All right, next one. AMD.
You even asked me what's the name of it in the car.
No, I know. I had it in the cart, but I said, what else do we need? So I could just order from Whole Foods. They can bring it.
That wasn't on me.
It's okay. After Ramadan, we're going to eat out. So it's okay. We have one box for tomorrow, right? It's so cool. I'll just pay extra and have them deliver it. Boom, not a problem. Whole Foods does that. I'm stepping on something.
Your own crumbs.
All right, vacuum here later, please.
Not later, tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Next ticker, let's do it. AMD. Again, for those of you that thought that the computer chips, all that stuff will just keep going up, all I can tell you is, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, because you get manipulated far too easily. Also, March 25th, 2023, your portfolio management class, you said PLTR was overvalued and would fall to 740, and it was a stock for the future. Thank you, Matt. You should be writing that down. He's helping you out right now. Write that down. Matt's the best. I need you to get all these videos. That's a project I need you to get on. Find every one of my old videos of me saying every stock, a record, where it's going to go, and it did exactly to the T what I said. Because candles, levels, multiple time frames is all I use. But then some people say, oh, you've been teaching economics for 12 years. It has nothing to do with my economics background. Yeah. I keep telling you all this. Stop putting traders on a pedestal. Stop thinking that we are equals. My economics background has nothing. Maybe the XP points, yes. But the economics, teaching it for some, that means nothing, dude. Means nothing. Irrelevant. Irrelevant. So we got AMD, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 has commenced, as you know. Again, page 41, I don't know why I need to say this. For those of you that want to get the book, you cannot get this book. This book is not on sale, so don't even bother. But use the code EID, E-I-D, to get it cheaper. And I'll let that code last till Sunday. Assalamu alaikum, Professor. Hello, Professor. I'm late, but I had to pray. That's fine. I'm requesting to know the name of the tool below the candlesticks. The tool? What the hell's a tool? What tool? Again, read the book, bro. Y'all are asking questions that can be answered in my book. But back to the point. AMD is on a clean stage 4. Let it fall and buy it up again. Are computer chips dead? Hell no. The market what does the market go through? Flood the chat. What does the market go through? Flood the chat. Casolo, I think you're referring to the volume indicator. Well, yeah, that's volume. Let's go. Market goes through what? Flood the chat. I should see over 120 plus answers to that. Flood the chat. He said it was April 25th, not March. Boom. Cycles. What else does the market go through? Stages. What else does the market go through? Let's go. I used this word maybe 2 weeks ago on the live. 2 weeks ago. Let's see if you can pick it up. Let's see who's paying attention. Do you know who Stephen Gundry is? No idea who that is. Bro, let me tell you something right now. Avila, I'm disconnected from the influencers, the social media people. My Instagram, watch this. Madam, my algorithm, my feed. Say it out loud. What do you only see on my feed?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Yeah.
I do not know what any social media people are doing. I don't care to know what they're doing. She'll send me some of the special ones. The ones that are like, should be in special ed class in school. She sends me videos of them. I'm like, don't send me this. Don't send me this. She was like, look how ridiculous they are. I said, I don't want to know, madam. Nope, 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 nope. Nobody got it. The market goes through seasons. Market goes through puberty. Martin! Stop it, Martin! Stop it. The market goes through seasons. Right now, what season in the market in right now? What season? That's you paying attention to that live. That means you guys are not actively watching the lives.
That video did very well too.
It did? Okay, what season is the market going through right now? Flood the chat. It goes through your account if you don't follow your plan. You already know. Hey, there you go, Mr. Ahmed. Winter season. Market right now is going through the winter season. And then after the winter, what season comes next? Let's go, flood the chat. What season comes next? Y'all are late with these answers. Y'all should have known in this. Y'all are late with the answers. Okay, a lot of answers now. At least I'm happy for that, even though we're late with the answers. Let's go. The spring. You know what the soundtrack reminds me of? I'm walking through a meadow and a cyclops. I'm going to have to take my sword and swipe through the cyclops. It's crazy how the frequency, a vibration of sound can just make you go somewhere else. Because now I'm thinking about seasons.
Colors have frequency.
Yeah.
And it links to that. No?
Correct.
To the sound.
So, do not go outside when it's snowing 30 feet of snow. Stay inside. When do we go out the most? When the weather is nice. Keep that in mind. Wait till the markets settle down and then go for it. Keep that in mind. So, AMD, like I said, stage 4, wait till it falls, starts going sideways. How do I know this? All you have to do, and I guess you want me to read it again. I guess you want me to read it again. God, I love the quality of my books. I don't know how anyone can make cheap products. You know one thing everyone says about my book? Because when I gave my driver's brother the books yesterday, never mind. He goes, I can't accept. These is too high quality. Because I said, no, I love your brother. You know, I love Roberto. He's the man. He always takes care of us. He goes, no, let me give you something. You know, he owns a steak company.
Yeah.
If you very high quality, big steak. I said, bro, I can't eat that. It's not halal. He goes, oh. I said, don't worry about it. I don't know how anyone can make cheap products. Like, you have to give someone, when you're like owning a business, you should create the best product.
Right. Yeah.
To understand the present and the future, you must understand the past. What's that kid's name? The one who gets millions of views and he does this? Khabib?
I don't know.
Kabi? Yes, you do. He's black, African. He does this. He's the most Instagram guy. Oh man.
No.
I don't know how to say his name. Khabib? Kabi? Whatever it is.
I don't know.
What can you do here if you want? Take 50% off and let the rest ride if that's what you want. So as of now, stop trying to catch the falling knife. The video that got me 4 million views. Stop trying to catch a falling knife. Let's go to the last ticker. Gold. Let's do it. Do you know any of these doctors? Avila, you gotta stop mentioning doctors to me. I'm gonna block him. I'm blocking this guy. I think it's the 3rd time he's distracting me. He's like, do you know any of these doctors? He's blocked. I'm teaching a lesson. He's just mentioning doctors for some reason. Human beings. They just need to get blocked. I think I need to put the fear of block back into these people. To stop being distracted by stupidity. What does that have to do with what I'm teaching right now? Nonsense. He's not a mentorship student. Like, why are you talking to me like this? Be a mentorship student, then you could DM me things of irrelevance, and I'll talk to you. Next ticker is GD1 exclamation. Oh, the other way around. Gold futures, as you can see, gold is record highs. Why is gold at record highs? Who can tell me? Flood the chat. Why is gold at record highs? Flood the chat. Let's go. Again, reminder, get 50% off the books. Use the code EID, E-I-D. I'll let that code rock till Sunday, and then I'll bring the code down for another live maybe, but I'll lower the percentage on the discount. So enjoy the last days of Ramadan. Enjoy. Very good, Michael. Gold goes up due to fears of inflation. That is why it is going up. Very good. The tariffs. Why else? World economic issues. Protests happening worldwide. Mainly one of the major ones happening right now is in Turkey. We got protests happening in Turkey. Major protests. Election issues happening. So boom, boom, boom. But keep this in mind. When you hear I'm going to tell you what's eventually going to happen. Good afternoon, Professor. Peter, the sticker's for you, bro. I wasn't going to do it, but when I saw your name on it, I had to do it. Gold is king. Always will do good when everything is going down with inflation. When inflation fears come down, gold comes down. We will suffer temporarily with the tariffs and everything with TRUMP. But long term, when everything is balanced out, prices will come down. Watch. When they get the economy, the government in order, it gets efficient. What Elon is doing, praise to that man. You know, I think what he's doing is good, but I really do think he's Lex Luthor. To the public, he shows this image, but I really think behind the scene, he's evil at heart. I'm not against Elon. I just think that is something else going on behind the scenes, man. I'm just saying. Something doesn't feel right in my gut about Elon Musk. Again, what he's doing with Doge, I love it. I bought my father a Tesla, so I'm not anything against it. I just honestly think he's a Lex Luthor. Superman analogy, but keep your eyes on gold. But when you see that prices come down, tariffs work out for our favor, more businesses come and build in America, prices will drastically come down. There will be more money you will be getting back in taxes. Keep that in mind. Understand that. Again, reminder, I will not be live on Tuesday. Private mentorship class on Tuesday. Next Friday, I'll be back. So just a reminder, let's do it. Quote out of the Quran, let's do it. 100% 10 agree with you on Elon. I agree. Damn, you guys agree? You guys agree? That's crazy. I didn't think you guys would agree with that. I'm trying to create more enemies, but damn. Damn you guys. Every time I tell the truth, you guys freaking like it. I just want some people to turn on me. I get what you mean, Professor. Something feels off. Yeah. Yep. Damn it. Madam, are you there? Where'd you go? Oh, you're right there. Do you agree? But you don't really follow politics, so yeah.
No, I agree on like the laws.
What do you think about your view? Do you feel like Lex Luthor type?
My brother and I were saying that a long time.
Your brother and you? Yeah, something doesn't feel my conscience. I go with my conscience. I can spot a weirdo from 30 miles away. And something about him isn't right. I can't put my finger on it, but I really think he's a Lex Luthor. If you ever watch Superman or know anything about Superman, in the public eye, Lex Luthor is loved. Philanthropy, helping people, building. But behind the scenes, atrocious activities behind the scenes. But I'm not getting into it. All right, quote out of the Quran. Let's go. Hey, boom. All right, chapter 26, the poets. Ash Shuara. I can't read Arabic properly, but that's how you is. Let's see. Okay, we'll do it. All right, chapter 26, the poets, verse 10. Remember when your Lord called out to Moses, go to the wrongdoing people, the people of Pharaoh. Will they not fear God? He replied, my Lord, I fear that they will reject me. And so my heart will be broken and my tongue will be tied. So send Aaron along as a messenger. Also, they have a charge against me, so I fear they may kill me. God responded, certainly not. So go both of you with our signs. We will be with you listening. Go to the Pharaoh and say, we are messengers from the Lord of all worlds. By the way, you want to believe in aliens? The Quran says all worlds. So not just Earth, all worlds. So that proves right there's life on other planets. We haven't found that because he is the Lord of all worlds. So the Quran, listen, when the aliens pull up one day, it was written 1,000+ years ago. Lord of all worlds. All right, let me not go off topic. Lord of all worlds commanded to say, let the children of Israel go with us. What does this mean? Moses was scared to talk to the most powerful being of the time, the Pharaoh, right? And he goes, bro, they're going to kill me. They got charges on me. You want me to go tell the Pharaoh what? God said, just do it, bro. You know what that is? That's conviction. That's straight belief, conviction in a higher power. That's what a lot of you are lacking when it comes to your trading. You don't have that conviction. You don't have that belief in yourself. And that's why you're like, I don't know if this trade's going to work out, man. And that's when you end up panic selling. Moses freed the Jews. He got them out of the Egypt. He got them. He took them to the Red Sea, part of the Red Sea. Did his journey. Moses left them for a little bit and they started worshiping a cow. God damn, people just love worshiping animals really quickly. And statues. But that's a side conversation. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on the live, per usual. Let the TikTok and them live. I like to keep them for like a minute. I'll talk to them separately. Leave TikTok, leave X. I'll hang out with them for a little bit. But YouTube, thank you always, always, always. I hope my Muslim brothers and sisters had a great Ramadan. I hope it was easy on you. So it wasn't easy on me. This was very hard for me. But I'm doing much better. So I will see you on Friday. Listen, I know a lot of you get Eid. Like, you know, a little thing for Christians, you don't know this. You know how you on Christmas, you Christians give out gifts under the tree? Muslims, we give out on our holy day, Eid. That's a discount code for the books. We give out money. So if you're like 50, anyone less than you in age gets money. So I got to give out a lot of money on Sunday to a lot of them. I have majority female cousins. So I got to give out a lot. Madam, even though she's not Muslim, she's getting some. Today I took her and we bought her an Islamic outfit from the store. I bought her a nice outfit so she can wear with my family so she doesn't wear something else. So listen, I appreciate you all. If you made any money from what you learned from me,